Hi.
Hey guys.
Okay, so Ikra.
Yeah, and me. I don't feel like
Katie.
saying my name.
Okay,
Yeah, I'm
Katie.
too lazy.
But yeah, we're back. Yeah.
And we're gonna talk about dubstep.
No, we're
Damn,
not. But
damn.
okay, this is just a vlog video. This is just a okay. It's okay. It's okay. Calm. Just let it happen. Okay. This is
Let
our
it
like little
happen.
vlog video. Now, I gotta share something about this flag. Okay. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be okay. Maybe.
Okay, what do you
I don't mean
do?
to be a hater and all, but today
Hater's gonna be hating. Potato's gonna be potating.
my daddy,
Hater's gonna be potating.
my daddy did the worst thing ever. That he got this flag. I'm sorry.
What? Do you realize that there would be like no McDonald's, man?
Okay,
if
so
it was
let me
not
just explain
America?
something first. Let me sit back here.
There'd be
Let
no
me just
fat
explain something
people if it
first.
wasn't for
Calm
me.
down. Let me explain something first. Me and America, not really good friends. Like, I don't know what she's talking about. Okay, well, like, cause I was born. That's not mine, right? Like, I was born. I was born in Canada. I was raised in Canada, and I love Canada. It's like a dear thing to my heart. Shut up. And so, everyone in my family is a Canadian citizen until today. My daddy went to some place in Newark to go and apply for U.S. citizenship. He passed the test, and he got this flag and a citizenship for America.
Can you get that at a dollar store without being
Right?
a citizen? You just like step right out of the Bahamas and be like, can I have a flag? Sure.
But
You have a
this
dollar?
is a disgrace
Sure.
to all Canadians. Oh, Dad. Daddy. Fuck all this. So, yeah, guys. So, we're back.
Oh my god.
You
You're
deserve
just,
to
like,
be on the
traitor
floor. I'm
to
sorry. I don't mean to be...
America.
Okay, maybe I am a hater. I don't know. I mean, even though we live in America. Okay.
Canada and America are in the same continent.
Oh,
Or
by
on
the way,
same
so today we
continent.
went to the park, and then my brother took us to Cold Stone.
Hence the smoothies.
Yeah, and we got smoothies. They're really good. Mine is strawberry mango. Here's the strawberry banana. Or I like to say, strawberry dick. Okay.
No.
We're in my green room.
You do not put that in a smoothie. Oh, brain freeze.
Mhm.
Oh, I'm good now.
Okay. But yeah, we just wanted to make a video. We're probably gonna make another video after this. It's what time is it? 7.
Shmoo.
Shmur.
Shmurp.
No, I'm be awkward.
Get your Shakira on.
How long is this video? It's 3 minutes now. Okay. Well, anyways, we just wanted to say that. Hi, and my
Back from
ranting
the dead.
about this.
Oh my god, America, Ikra. You live here.
Canada!
You live here though. If you lived in Canada, you'd probably be eating bacon. That's actually ham.
A, mate.
Oh,
Canadians say A a lot.
yeah, I heard that. Mm-hmm.
I
In
do.
America
My
says
sister does.
America says shut
'Cause
up
we're
and give me a
Canadians.
cheeseburger a lot.
You know what? I'm gonna end this video with this. Live long, Canadians!